decided to continue. Now, I am a diabetic. I suffered for diabetes. I suffered diabetes for 15 years. And I inject myself with insulin. Every night and morning, night, I inject myself with insulin. Otherwise, my blood sugar will be very high. And you know the bad effects of diabetes. Diabetes can lead to a heart attack.
Yes. Yes.
It can lead to kidney failure. It can destroy your kidney.
Wow.
Yes, it can lead to blindness. And before I was taking this product, I noticed that my vision was blurred. When I drive my car, I usually wear an eyeglass because I cannot see clearly at night. I usually use my eyeglasses. But you will notice now, I never, after 2 years of taking this PURTIER product, I never use any eyeglasses anymore. My vision is clear when I drive my car at night.
Yeah.
So I was happy. So I have been a diabetic for the past 15 years. Well, I just continued taking the PURTIER.
Just for your information, I graduated from medical school in Perpetual Health College of Medicine in Biño, Laguna. And then I went to the U.S. to do my internship and residency in Oklahoma. And then I did an extended study, what they call a child fellowship at Napa City or Napa, California. And I'm a child psychiatrist. Okay. So I'm going to present to you a product called PURTIER Placenta. But first of all, our intestines, this can also cure an ulcer. Borage oil is great for diabetes. Lycopene helps with men to help prevent some prostate cancer, and also helps women prevent breast cancer. So we have safety certificates that are very reliable. One for international. We got safety certificates from New Zealand, from Singapore, and we have also a certificate for the Muslim population. So the Muslims can use this, our brothers and sisters can use this without any problem, and Jehovah's Witness. I treated a lady with Jehovah's Witness, and there's no problem using PURTIER Placenta because it's not blood. Okay. Now, PURTIER is FDA approved as a food supplement, and I've gotten a lot of questions about if I'm taking this medicine, can I take PURTIER? And I just respond, do you eat food? If you can eat food, you can take PURTIER Placenta, because PURTIER Placenta is not a chemically made product. It is a food product. So it doesn't have any interactions with other medications. You can take this and not fear of anything for that. You can have a detox reaction, which you may feel uncomfortable for a while, which is really good because you know that PURTIER is working and getting rid of toxins from your body. All right. So you don't have to worry about that. But after about a month on PURTIER, if you have major medical problems, taking a lot of medicines, get a checkup. Make sure you don't have your doctor take a look at you, and you may not need as many medicines, or he can reduce medicines, or he can stop some of the medicines that you don't need. So we do a 6-month therapy. The 6-month therapy is because regeneration takes a long time.